that flows entirely within the country into a giver of life. In 1946, Sardar Patel envisioned a multi-state, multi-purpose hydro project to harness the benefits of the Narmada to irrigate 75% of the water-stressed land around the river and bring light to the power-deficient areas of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. His long-cherished dream, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, is the second largest concrete gravity dam in the world and the third highest in India, rising to a height of 163 meters from the deepest foundation level. Its foundations were laid in April 1961 by India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and it was dedicated to the nation in September 2017 by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Shri Narendra Modi's commitment to the building of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and consequently benefiting people goes back to the time when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He undertook a fast continuously for 51 hours starting April 16, 2006 to protest the erstwhile central government stand on the Sardar Sarovar Dam height issue. As the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Modi was in favor of increasing the dam height so that more people in the water-stressed areas of Gujarat and its neighbouring states would be benefited. The project was finally completed nearly 60 years after its foundation stone was laid, thanks to Shri Modi's driving force. Today, it is an engineering marvel, and the dam stands tall as a triumph over geological fault lines, river diversions and water shortages. 256,000 cubic meters of pre-cooled concrete and 53,000 tons of reinforced steel were required to plug the fault line running under the dam's foundation. The concrete used to build the dam, 6.8 million cubic meters, is enough to lay a road that circles the world twice. The life storage capacity of the dam is 5,860 MCM. The main canal can store 220 MCM of water at full supply levels, enough to satisfy the needs of a big city like Ahmedabad for an entire year. It takes a whisper of the earth to change the course of rivers. No dam is immune to this. To secure against seismic effects, the layers of rock surrounding the dam were treated to withstand earthquakes. This is necessary for dams like the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which rely upon their immense bulk and strength to contain water and release it slowly. The Sardar Sarovar project was built by Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited with a mission statement and a commitment of harvesting the untapped waters of the Narmada for the survival of millions of people and environmentally sound and sustainable development of Western India by providing the essence of life, water and energy. The marvel of the Sardar Sarovar project, however, extends past the dam. The main artery of the dam is the Narmada main canal, which is the world's largest lined irrigation canal, measuring 458 kilometers in length and having a discharge capacity of 40,000 cubic feet per second, which distributes water to Gujarat and Rajasthan. Water flows through an unmatched 71,748 kilometer long canal network, a distance 57 times the length of the Narmada. The project is designed for the regional transfer of water, annually 11.7 billion cubic meters, to the water-stressed areas in and around Gujarat at distances over 750 kilometers. Few Indian dams can rival the power output of Sardar Sarovar Dam. The dam's hydroelectric plants harness power by guiding water falling from its gates through gigantic turbines, which coupled with generators produce alternating current. Power from the dam lights up households and powers industries across Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The Sardar Sarovar Dam churns out a staggering 1,415 megawatts of electricity. This equals 1 billion kilowatt per year. The Sardar Sarovar project does a lot more than delivering power to the people. Today, it is the lifeline for 29 million people across 9,633 villages and 131 towns who no longer have to walk long distances for drinking water. 1 million farmers breathe in relief with the Sardar Sarovar project, providing irrigation to 1.8 million hectares within Gujarat alone. Truly, the transformation from the giver of pleasure to the giver of life is complete.